out of nowhere, it is boiling. It is like
horrible.
Mount Isa hot.
I don't like Mount Isa hot.
That's mental. It is hot as shit. Wow. It feels lovely, to be honest. I'm enjoying it. You're not enjoying it?
The heat?
Yeah.
No.
I am
I'd
liking
rather
it.
the cold than the hot.
It feels nice. I feel
can
relaxed.
layer up in the cold. I can't get naked in the street.
Yeah, this is going to be a tough walk, this is now. I feel like I need a iced coffee though. Keep me going. I just love croissants.
We are in the Adelaide Muse. Nope, we're not in Adelaide. We're in Melbourne Museum. Look at this. Years of growth. 600 years. So this makes more sense from that Aboriginal gallery yesterday. This is Aboriginal Australia, the way it's split up. At the moment, we're living like there. Yeah. Can you imagine getting hit by that? Or you get pulled out. Look at these outfits. Can you imagine me wearing this?
Hello. Going through the door.
Ready to enter.
Cute.
In the 1940s to 1980s, Felicity felt her daughter's little dollhouse was a little bit too plain, so she improved it for the next 40 years. Improved it. It's bigger than me. Scale, I'm stood here. Look at that. Oh! 1 second. It's great, you're on the TV. Yeah.
That's so clever. It's a Colosseum. It's built in 1775. Wow.
Apparently it survived when a model volcano caught it on fire. Look at that. Oh, yuck. Can you imagine? Ugh. Giant mosquito. The worst part is, before we came about, these were probably this big anyway. Oh, yuck. Listen carefully. Stay very still. Your turn. Good job. That's quite good actually.
That was good. Thank you. Detachable penis spider.
Detachable penis spider? Where is it? Well, there's his penis. There he is, the detachable penis spider. The size of that. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is like Australia. Literally have spiders like this big.
Here he is.
You don't like moths? Look at this atlas moth.
That is not real.
Yeah, you never seen an atlas moth?
God.
They're enormous. Oi, 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 oi. What did the dinosaur use to cut wood? A dinosaur. What makes more noise than a dinosaur? Two dinosaurs. Imagine, instead of a seagull, that thing coming at you. If he came at me, I'm giving him a sandwich. Look at that, I didn't even know they existed. Sea spider? 10-legged sea spider. I'm never going in the sea again. Oh, look at that, Chris. I reckon if you just crunch that, it would make the best sound. Look at that, it looks like mold. Alright, it's time. It's 4:30. Go to the main event. What could it be? What could it be? Titanic, boarding here. Thank you.
You are about to see a collection of authentic artefacts recovered from the final resting place of the RMS Titanic, 2.5 miles beneath the surface of the Atlantic Ocean.
Got your boarding pass? So apparently on the back of here there's real people.
People that were on the Titanic.
Yes. Real, and we find out later what happens to these people.
Mr. Nasabumi Hosana, 42, from Japan, Tokyo. He was returning home to his wife and 4 children via London and the United States, and then it says that he was the only Japanese passenger on the Titanic. And is Mrs. Hudson. She was 25 from Canada, accompanied by her husband and 2 very young children. She was first class, so she was very rich. The reason was accompanying her husband on business. The family was returning back to Canada.
Impact as such. It was just like jamming your brakes on a car. You looked out. The sky was clear, the stars were shining, the sea was dead calm. And I thought, I don't know, couldn't understand it. So I came out of my cabin and I thought, oh, I'd go forward. I went forward to the well deck on the starboard side, and I could see ice in the well deck. There's no sign of iceberg then, because he'd passed us. What had happened, we'd slipped over the iceberg, and although she was supposed to be unsinkable with a double bottom, the iceberg had cut her from forward on the starboard side to the engine room, almost amidships. But before I got my life belt on, I met a young couple, and I can tell you her name. It was Mrs. Clark. She was having trouble with her life belt. So I fixed that on to her, and I said, I think you'd better get into a lifeboat. And there was one in the... And I got her away, and that was that. And I thought, well, I'd done all I possibly could. help them all I could. And I thought, well, now I'll go up and get out of all this scrumming. And all of a sudden, she lifted up quickly, and you could hear everything crashing through her. I was hanging on to a board, higher and higher in the air, and I thought, well, now I'll go, and I dropped in. I had a lifebelt on, and I hit the water with a terrific crack. The fellows were right out of water, the rudder was right out, and I could see the bottom. And gradually she glided away, and that was that. That was the last of the Titanic. I didn't want to die. I mean, I didn't see much chance of living, but I was gradually getting frozen up. By the grace of God, I came across a lifeboat, and they pulled me in. I sat on a seat and sat next to Mrs. Clark. Pretty, in a pretty bad way then, as you can imagine. Frozen solid almost. And she wrapped me round with a cloak. She had some sort of blanket or a coat on. I think she probably saved my life, I don't know. But I saved hers. At least I think I might have done. I think I did. And she saved mine.
Does talking about this incident bother you like you have been today?
Talking about it? I should probably dream about it tonight. Have another nightmare. You'd think I'm too old for that, but you'd be amazed. You lie in bed at night and the whole thing comes round again.
The husband lost his life, but what happened to Mrs.?
I died. We're still looking for hers.
Right there.
Edgar died.
Only Japanese passenger and he survived. That is a lot of people.
My wife survived.
He died as well. Did you read that? I did.
Take a step backwards. Let's take a step backwards.
No.
Did you get?
Couldn't decide. What for?
It's a selection.
Yeah. Apparently she's never finished a pint before. This is going to be the first time.
Gonna do it.
You're going to do it.
We've got some deviled eggs, beer nuts
To go with my beer.
to go with the beers. Which is done it. Doo-doo. Empty already. It's been 2 minutes. Now, what one's your favourite?
These ones, all very good.
Yeah?
I like them all.
Do you have a favourite or not?
This one is a bit strong, but no, I like them all equally. I ate an hour bottle. I might seem like one. I'm on holiday.
This is how much I've drunk.
I don't normally drink.
Ta-da! How much you drunk already?
That's fine. That's the same amount.
It is. You guzzled that pint.
This is how I drank it. That's what.
Did I ever tell you that I absolutely love buffalo chicken?
A couple times. Tastes cheesy. Very cheesy.
That's a bit.
Yeah. Good though. Spicy.
Not bad, not bad. These are delicious.
I feel like on this trip I've had some of the best food and the worst food of my life. Incredible.
These are delicious. Cuba pita pizza was awesome.
That trunk stop pizza was incredible.
Yeah. Oh, and this is only starters.
The eggs we started with.
Oh, the eggs, man. The nuts. Here's what we've got going on here. We've got fries, brisket, pork belly, barbecue chicken, stack of coleslaw, mac and cheese.
Oh, that's
Mac and cheese. How's your chicken? It's looking good.
So that was delicious. We've devoured all of it. And let's just check on your pint. How far have you got?
Halfway.
Good job.
So gassy.
And she failed. She hasn't finished her first pint.
I've not failed yet.
We're going in a second.
We're not.
Do you want to trade my little bit of red wine for the rest of your beer?
No, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, we'll see. What do you say?
Nothing.
Saying that on camera? No?
No.
Alright, well, I'll switch it off now. What did you say?
Nothing.
Okay. What did you say? Okay. Oh, what did you say?
Squeeze me up tight and then roll me out so I can let all the gas out from this beer.
Gotcha. I drink with Tasha, cause Tasha is of weight. And when we drink with Tasha, she downs it in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, she did it. Good job. It looks like you're gonna cry. So 2 more points, please. We went to the toilet and came back with 4 hot sauces.
Oh, that's a weird taste.
Yeah. Went in there for buffalo wings, left with 2 boxes of hot sauce. 2 bottles. That's great. We decided to walk home today. It's a really long walk. She thinks we're lost, but we're not lost. I'm a genius. Like I said, at this junction, there's the police building. So it should be the next right.
So you already lost us before?
When?
Because you said this was the cafe road and it's not.
I didn't say that.
You did?
No, I didn't. I also said there was a Mustang on the wall, but there wasn't. Look, you just gotta have faith. See that traffic light? That's where we turn right. I need to document this when you realize how much of a genius I am. Am I a genius?
I don't know.
You don't know?
When I get to the house, I'll tell you.
Oh, so you do know where we are?
I know now.
So we did go the right way.
Yes, eventually.
Yeah, we're genius. Time to be smug. What do we have here? Oh yes. Genius. 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 Genius.
Genius.
Yeah, genius. I went the wrong way. Completely in the wrong floor. Genius. Oi, oi, oi.